Hello everyone, this is Rishu and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you about how you can get a free TEFL certificate within 10 minutes. Alright, so this is quite genuine and there's nothing clickbait, there's nothing like that. I'm gonna bring you guys to watch this video. This is quite genuine because I already have this TEFL certificate. Alright, so if you are already a teacher, you're working overseas, and if you want to work in Asian countries, especially Vietnam, China, or Cambodia, you need to have a free TESOL, sorry, not free, like any TESOL or TEFL certificate. Like it's one of the requirement to work legally in Asian countries. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So you have to go over this site of TEFLcertificate.com. Alright, after you go over there, I'm gonna put this link in the description so that you can find the link. Alright, once you go over there, this page will pop up. Then you have to click on free TEFL course. Okay, you have to scroll down, click on get started with the free online TEFL course. Click on this. After clicking, you have to log in into your account. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you have to click on register. So it's gonna pop up this page. You have to put all your details, your email address, phone, Skype address, country, password. All right, and after that, after putting all those details, you have to click on register. Make sure you remember your email address and password because you have to log in with the same email address and password. All right, so after you register, you have to log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to log in from here. It's going to take me to this page. I'm going to click on course outline. Alright, gonna show me this topic, classroom management learning strategy. Alright, I'm gonna go one by one from one topic to the end. Alright, so I'm gonna click on this topic 1, classroom management, and there are few of the PDF file and videos. So you have to watch all these videos and PDF file, and then you have to take a test. Alright, so after every section, after you read every section, you have to take a test, and you have to go step by step. Like after reading every section, take a test, then read another section, take a test. So I know that's gonna take a lot of time. To save your time, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this key files. Alright, so this is the key file where you can find all the answers. So it means you don't have to waste your time in watching all the PDF and watching videos, and you can directly go to the test. So you can click on section 1 review quiz, alright, directly without watching any videos or any PDF file. Of course, for your knowledge, if you want to study, you can watch PDF and you can watch videos for your knowledge. If you want to spend some time and you want to learn something, that's fine for you. But if you want to get it quickly within 10 minutes, just follow this step. Alright, so it's gonna show you all the questions over here. There are answers. Okay, let's go to this file. Classroom management is the first topic. And here are all the questions and answers. See the first question in the second video. This is the first question. All right, it's the exactly same question over here. In the second video, Catherine made the point. All right, and here's are the answers. Discuss common interests, show your students, let your student know. 3 answers. I'm gonna select all these 3. 1 2 3. Go to the second one. I have some effective classroom management techniques prepared. I'm gonna select this. All right. 3, physical presence. Being able, you can provide. 4, which of the following each student managing a classroom? Then 5th, corporal ridicule yelling. All right, I'm going to select all these, click on submit. Voila. So you can see all my answers are correct. All right, now we go to the next section. All right, so like step by step you have to go each and every section and give the test, take the test. All right, and you already have answers, so you don't have to worry about watching videos and read all the PDF files. So it's very easy. It's gonna take maximum of 10 minutes if you do it quickly. Just see the answers, select the answers, submit the test. There are total of 29 section, I guess, or 29 tests. So like each test is gonna take 15 to 20 seconds if you guys do it quickly. All right, so I'm not gonna show you each and everything because it's gonna take 9 to 10 minutes, so you can do it easily. You all have answer. All right, I'm gonna put this file, I'm gonna put this link. You can download this file and you can see all the answer. Just select submit, that's all. All right, okay, so after you submit all your tests, it's gonna show you at the end that print your certificate. All right, what you have to do, you have to click on print the certificate and save that file as PDF. If you want to print that file that like immediately, if you have a printer you can print your certificate. But if you don't have the printer or anything to print the certificate, you just save the file by clicking on print the certificate and save the file as PDF, and you can print it later anytime. All right, I'm gonna show you, this is how your certificate gonna be looking like. So see, here's my name, Rishabh Gupta, and 120 hour TEFL certification. All right, make sure that when you created the account you have to mention your name clearly. Like you should mention your name, official name, like what name you want the certificate, because if you want to put the inaccurate name, then it's gonna give you the certificate with the same name. So make sure you have to put the right name. All right, so this is my certificate. You can see e-certificates, like digital copy. Okay, so this is how you're gonna get the certificate. It's quite easy. It won't take more than 10 minutes for sure. If you do it quickly, you're gonna get the certificate right now. So just do it right now. Click the link, see the answers, do the test and get the certificate. That's all. So okay, that's all from me, and if you have any questions just comment down below. I'm gonna help you out, whatever help I can do. And okay, don't forget to share this video for other teachers as well who are looking to get a free certificate, so that it can also help them. So okay, don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna put more ESL videos or more teaching videos or more stuff related to ESL teaching. All right, so adios and see you again.